We'll guide you through how to recover the Google Play Store on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating because you're wanting to go and use the Play Store. Of course, in order to go and get more apps and update apps and do other things, you need to go and have it, and you've lost it. And so you wanted to go and recover it. First of all, go and swipe across. Just go and check that it's not on any of your home pages. Next, swipe up. You can go and swipe across these pages here and also go and press search at the top. You can go and type in Play Store, just in case it's been removed from the home pages, but it's still in the app pages. If you go and find it at the top here, what you can do is tap and hold your finger on it and press add to home. Of course, mine isn't there, so it doesn't apply to me. So if you're in the same situation, what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up and go and find your settings. You may need to go and swipe across those different app pages here, or even go and search at the top of settings as well. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps. As you can see, here it is, and go and tap on it. Go and scroll down and go and find Google Play Store. As you can see, here it is. What you want to do is go and tap on it. Now, in this case, it's been disabled. So to go and recover it, we need to go and enable it again. After you've gone and done that, you can then swipe up, swipe across these pages, and we should go and find it, or you can search at the top. Here it is. You can tap on it and open it here, or tap and hold it, press add to home, and then you can go and access it again. You can go and position it where you want it. That's it. You've recovered it.